Hi, my name is Joey Papa. I'm a coffee consultant, and today we're going to learn how to make a caramel cappuccino. Caramel cappuccinos are a great treat for after dinner or first thing when you wake up in the morning, and they're pretty easy to make. What we're going to need to do this is an espresso machine, some finely ground espresso, some milk, and caramel flavoring. You can find this caramel flavoring at any grocery store down the coffee aisle, and you can find it in sugar-free as well if you're looking to cut on calories. Now what we're going to do first, and the most important aspect of making a cappuccino, is our milk. Take your milk and you're going to fill it up halfway in the carafe. Then you're going to take it and put it in your steam wand. Now the trick is with cappuccinos is to create a lot of foam. And in order to do this, you're going to take the very tip of the steam wand and place it at the surface of your milk. Once you've done that and your steam wand is on, you're going to scratch the surface of the milk, creating foam. And you're going to see what we call stretching the milk. The milk will begin to rise in your carafe, and when it reaches the top of the carafe, you can then submerge the steam wand all the way to the bottom. Once you hear the milk rumbling or the carafe is too hot to touch, you can then remove your milk and your steamed milk is complete and ready for a cappuccino. Next, we're going to need to pull a shot of espresso. To do this, we're going to remove the portafilter from the espresso machine. You're going to fill it with finely ground espresso. Take your pinky finger, go across the surface to make a smooth, even surface. Take the tamper, which is the device that is used to press down on the espresso, making it compact in the portafilter. Return it to your espresso machine and go ahead and turn it on to pull your shot. Once you have your shot of espresso and you have your steamed milk, you're then going to take your serving cup and you're going to take your caramel flavoring. You can use about 2 to 3 tablespoons of the caramel flavoring depending on how sweet you want your beverage to be. After you have your flavoring in there, you're then going to add your espresso and then your milk. And this is so that the caramel flavoring mixes well in the beverage. So you're going to take the shot of espresso, pour that in there. And then what we're going to do is you're going to pour the hot steamed milk about 2/3 way up the cup. Once you get 2/3 of the way up the cup, you're going to take a spoon and scoop out the remaining foam that's in the carafe and place it on top of your serving cup. Once you've done that, you have your caramel cappuccino. Again, my name is Joey Papa. I'm a coffee consultant, and today we learned how to make a caramel cappuccino.